Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the mechanism of electrocyclic reaction. We know that electrocyclic reaction is a type of pericyclic reaction. The mechanism of electrocyclic reaction can be explained by Frontier molecular orbital method, that is FMO method. The stereochemistry or feasibility of an electrocyclic reaction can be explained by Woodward selection rule. According to Woodward selection rule, the mechanism of an electrocyclic reaction is determined by symmetric properties of highest occupied molecular orbitals of open chain partner, that is HOMO of open chain components. First, we have to discuss about two modes of rotations of terminal p orbitals of carbon atom. When two p orbitals rotates towards same side, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, it is called a con rotation. If both orbitals rotates in opposite direction, it is called a disrotation. Consider the mechanism of foreign system. This is an example for foreign system electrocyclic reaction. This is our butadiene 1,3-butadiene. It will interconverts into cyclobutene in the presence of light or heat. That is an foreign system electrocyclic reaction. Consider the mechanism of foreign system electrocyclic reaction. First case, in the presence of heat, that is thermal condition. Then we have to know what is the HOMO of C4 system in the presence of heat. That is at ground state, side 2 is the HOMO of C4 system. So this is the terminal lobes of side 2, that is plus minus. In the presence of heat, when it undergoes con rotation, both the orbital rotates towards same side. Then we get sigma bonding interaction, and it is symmetry allowed transition. Whereas when it undergoes disrotation, that is both the orbitals rotates towards opposite side in the presence of heat, it forms a sigma anti-bonding interaction, and here symmetry is forbidden. Then what is the case of photochemical reaction? In the presence of light, what will be the HOMO of C4 system? At excited state, HOMO will be Psi 3 in the case of butadiene or C4 system. So this will be the terminal lobes, plus and plus. In the presence of light, when it undergoes con rotation, both the orbitals rotate towards same side and we get sigma anti-bonding interaction, or its symmetry forbidden, plus and minus. So it is symmetry forbidden. Then if it undergoes a disrotation in the presence of light, both the orbital rotates towards same opposite side. It forms a sigma bonding interaction, that is its symmetry allowed. Next we have to discuss about 4n plus 2 system. This is an example for 4n+2 system. 1,3,5 hexatriene converted into 1,3-cyclohexadiene. That is an 4n+2 system. First we have to consider thermal reaction. At ground state, what will be the HOMO of C6 system? For a C6 system, Psi3 will be the HOMO at ground state. So this will be the terminal lobes, plus and plus. When it undergoes Kohn rotation, both the orbitals will rotate towards same side and we get sigma anti-bonding interaction or its symmetry forbidden. Whereas when it undergoes disk rotation, both the orbitals rotates towards opposite face or opposite side, its symmetry allowed or it forms sigma bonding interaction. Sigma bonding interaction is highly stable, whereas sigma anti-bonding interaction is highly unstable. Then we have to consider photochemical reaction, that is at excited state Psi4 will be the HOMO of C6 system. So this will be the terminal lobes plus and minus. When it undergoes Kohn rotation, both the orbitals will rotate on same side and we get plus plus, that is sigma bonding interaction or it is symmetry allowed and it is highly stable. Whereas when it undergoes disk rotation, both the orbitals rotates towards opposite face, it forms sigma anti-bonding interaction and its symmetry forbidden. This is the summary of Woodward selection rule, 4n system and 4n+2 system. This is the examples for 4n system and 4n+2 system. In the case of 4n system, thermally allowed rotation is Kohn and thermally forbidden rotation is disk. Then photochemically allowed rotation is disk, photochemically forbidden rotation is Kohn. Then in the case of 4n+2 system, that is C6 system, thermally allowed rotation is disk, thermally forbidden rotation is Kohn, photochemically allowed rotation is Kohn, photochemically forbidden rotation is disk. This is our Woodward-Hoffmann rule. This is the feasibility of an electrocyclic reaction or mechanism of an electrocyclic reaction explained by Woodward and Hoffmann. Hope it is clear. Thank you.